Starting next year, Kentucky residents will take home more money. Governor Andy Beshear signed a bill into law that lowers the individual income tax rate.
WCPO 9 News anchor Brett Bagansky shows you why one business feels it will translate to not only happier employees, but repeat customers.
Inflation has been an issue. Rising costs have been an issue. But you overcome.
Jessica Fetty, like many of us, has been working around the challenges of the economy.
Is this your first time?
She owns The Hive in Erlanger, a place she opened in April of 2022 that serves breakfast, lunch, and coffee.
I think if you start paying attention to the individual and understanding what they need to be successful and keeping more of their hard-earned dollars.
But I know that right now things cost too much for our families.
Governor Andy Beshear signed the bill into law that will lower the personal income tax rate from 4% to 3.5%, which will go into effect in January of next year. The Northern Kentucky Chamber of Commerce estimates someone making $80,000 a year will go from paying the state $3,200 this year to $2,800 next year.
How does this impact you and impact your business?
Happier employees that get to keep more of the hard-earned dollars.
We need to be a little bit careful. That may not last.
But Northern Kentucky University economist Janet Hara is warning this tax cut doesn't guarantee growth and could cut the tax base so much it results in unintended consequences.
They have to make that revenue up somewhere, so other taxes will be raised to compensate, or you have to cut services.
I will just get a house blend.
For Fetty, the tax cut translates to more repeat customers who will be more inclined to spend money they now get to keep.
The only other thing that would be really awesome is if Washington, D.C. would pass the legislation to remove the taxation on tips.
In Erlanger, Brett Bagansky, WCPO 9 News.